keep them safe as they savor the flavor. VLM30 Food Plus. The inline vortex flow meter for all food and beverage applications. EC1935 and FDA compliant. It protects taste and prevents contamination, so your consumers can keep enjoying the flavors they love without the risk. Features: hygienic, organoleptic, stainless steel construction, digital outputs, EC1935 and FDA compliance, inline design. Benefits: audit-ready with trusted accuracy, safer, residue-free production, key energy usage insights, easy integration and enhanced cleaning confidence. Reliable in the harshest environments. VLM30 Food Plus. The smarter, safer choice. Discover more today.